the teaching context, as you know, we are talking about organizational factors, and the teaching context is one of the important elements which could influence the quality of teaching or the quality of teaching in a language program, right? In an institutional context, we need to be aware of the teaching context. I mean, what sort of teaching is there, whether this specific context is having issues of class size or, supporting staff. These are some of the points we're going to look at now, right? Size and staff structure is important thing while analyzing the teaching context, right? So the size of school and its administration structure. For example, if the school is big, there could be, sort of might be lack of harmony, or might be lack of decision making between staff and teachers, right? And in the case of small school, there could be a well-knit system, and the teachers could come and discuss with each other the daily activities and their language teaching plans, right? So much rests upon, the communication, whether, and I think this is important element to understand the teaching context, to have a channel whereby teachers could clearly talk to the administration, and there should be a sort of transparent system, right? The teaching context much rests upon providing some facilities to the teachers, and these facilities include the use of technology and the positive and negative effect on workload. For example, if the teachers are provided technology, so that could be a helpful tool to pace up the language activities in the classroom. So this could have a positive effect upon their workload. And on the other hand, if the teachers don't have, for example, technology support, so they could be struggling with, coping with lengthy syllabuses and big classes, right? And supporting staff also, plays important role in terms of understanding the teaching context. The teachers have, some other responsibilities, for example, in the schools, right? So there should be some teaching supporting staff, for example, have the supporting staff can help them, for photocopying or timetabling, or help them in typing, right? The teaching facilities and class size also form important factor of teaching context, right? In order to better understand the teaching context, we need to be aware of whether the teachers are provided good facilities in the form of computer labs and language labs. And the class size is also important element in order to understand the teaching context, right? Richard, in his book, Curriculum Development in Language Teaching, he argues that most of the researchers in SLA, they agree that 15 is forms as an ideal strength for a language classroom. So if there are, as most of you might be aware of this fact, that if there are large classes, that might eventually negatively impact upon the quality of teaching. So in brief, the teaching context is an important element of organizational structure, and this teaching context contains some factors which we have seen here, and these come in the form of some teaching facilities and making decisions about the class size.